All right, so what I'm doing here, I'm trying to show some quick trip. I said I'm not going to edit out my edits, but yeah, I can't do it. All right, so here we go. I like this ClearShot app is sweet. You can just click on the icon of yourself when you want to talk and zero in. Braeside, I fixed my logo down there. Now it's right side. When I was using this app before, you can see it was flipped, and that's not cool. So I just flipped the image in Canva and then made a new overlay, and now I got it right. So that's good. All right, I wanted to share a quick win with you. Tips and tricks today. I'm here editing some video I did with our kids on Melodics, gamified music apps. And when we recorded this, hi everybody. I didn't really know that feature that well, so I was able to take that from the middle when I accidentally hit my video icon when I was moving it around, because you can just move your the PIP, the picture-in-picture, around, which is cool. But if you hit it, it will just go full screen, which is cool. But I did it by an accident. But I'm glad I did, because in this video I was able to use that for the beginning. When we recorded this, we used an overhead cam on the keyboard and then camera facing us and screenshotted through. We recorded the screen through the ClearShot. So we have CleanShot to record the screen. I use Camo Studio remotely, wirelessly from my cell phone to Camo Studio. That's how I have the overlay. And then I use the DJI Mic Mini plugged into an external USB hub connected to my MacBook, so I got good sound. And then to route this all together and to make a video, I had the clip up here for the keyboard, and then I just lined up the audio waveform. So once I lined that up, then now I have the overhead, and I was able to use my little smart, you go here to transform. Once you go to transform, then you're able to adjust the size of the time with our children. The other clip that's on top of the other clip, the main clip. So I was able to put that in here. Braeside Creative app. All right. You have the piano, where we have our keyboard here. As you can see, the little hand of Lynn. And we also have, I'm able to show the keyboard, finger drums. I'm able to show the screen and the other video. And we also have the MIDI drum set. And we have all those instruments, so you'll be seeing those instruments as we play on the. So then I do this little, like, super cool. I can do little cuts if I want to change the size. Okay, so we have it here. We want to see here what you're using. See, we're using MPK 249. As you see, when I talk about it, I just moved it. So I just make cuts, and I move it according to the scene if I want the keyboard there and where I want it. So I wanted to align it because of there's some writing there. Then, or you can do that. And to map the instrument, you would map it. You would go like this. So then I had to resize it. I just resized it when I see the key. So you just grab here, bring it up, bring it down, so you can adjust it. Just like that. And then you'd hit the first key on the device. Boom, you'd hit the other last key on the device, and then you just hit save here, and booyah, it mapped out the instrument. You want to go in here and make sure you have the right audio device. So we have there you go. Default. You can just put your video on top. You cycled through. So then here I didn't want to block off the gamified app part, so I just put it up here, line it up with my picture-in-picture, and look, we're good to go. To go. All right, so you go here, push play. So look at that. There you go. It's for you. When I had the audio synced already from the top file, I removed that audio and just kept the one audio, so it's crisp and clean. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.